Most Americans can't cover a $1,000 emergency. Financial stress at all-time high. Imagine this. Your car breaks down tomorrow. Your medical bill doubles unexpectedly. Could you cover it without a credit card? Well, nearly 57% of Americans can't. Welcome to Smart Funds. Today, I'm sharing exactly how I broke free from living paycheck to paycheck and built my very first emergency fund in just 30 days. If you've ever felt stuck or overwhelmed by unexpected expenses, you're not alone, and I'm here to show you how you can take control, just like I did. An emergency fund isn't just about money, it's about peace of mind. It's about knowing that when life throws you a curveball, you can stay standing. In this video, I'll walk you through my real, step-by-step journey, including the struggles, wins, and the exact strategies that worked. Before I started, saving money felt impossible. Like many of you, I was stuck in a cycle. Bills would come. I'd pay them. I'd promise myself, next month I'll save more. But next month never came. 3 major problems kept holding me back. Unexpected expenses every time I saved a little. Boom car repairs, vet bills, birthdays. Low motivation saving isn't exciting like buying a new phone or eating out. Feeling overwhelmed, where do you even start? When it feels like you need 10-0 just to breathe. The turning point? One day my car needed $800 in repairs. I didn't have it. I had to put it on a credit card, and I hated that feeling. That's when I decided, no more. I'm building my emergency fund now. Here's how I did it step by step. Track every penny. Day 13. For 3 days, I wrote down everything. I spent money on even the 2 coffee. I realized I was bleeding money on little things I didn't even notice. 5 coffee runs, 30 on random Amazon stuff, 15 on unused subscriptions. Seeing my real spending was a slap in the face, but it gave me power. Step 2. Cut the fluff ruthlessly. Day 3, 5. Crossing out expenses with red marker. Next, I made 2 lists. Needs, rent, groceries, bills. Wants, takeout, streaming services, impulse buys. For 30 days, I cut almost all wants. No eating out, no new clothes, no buying random gadgets online. It was tough. Friends invited me out. I said, not this month. Temporary sacrifices for permanent freedom. Step 3. Create a savings sprint. Day 5:30. Mini celebration every time savings increased. I made it a game. Every day, I had to find 10-20 extra to save. Here's how I found extra money. Sold old clothes and electronics online. Got 150 fast. Took a few freelance gigs in the evenings, tutoring, pet sitting. Returned unused stuff sitting at home. Got 60 back. Paused non-essential bills. Paused Netflix. Paused my gym membership. Every dollar went straight into a separate savings account. Step 4. Automate and separate. Mobile banking app moving money automatically. I opened a separate high-yield savings account with no debit card linked, and I set up an automatic transfer. Every payday, 100 went straight to savings before I even saw it. Out of sight, out of mind. This was a game changer. The first 2 weeks were hard, but then I hit 500 saved. Something shifted in my mind. If I can save 500, why can't I save 10? That belief kept me going. By day 25, I was at 850. By day 30, my emergency fund hit 150. I had done it. No crazy lottery win, no massive paycheck, just small, consistent, daily actions stacking up. Here's the recap if you want to do this yourself. Track your money brutally, honestly. Cut non-essentials for 30 days. You won't die without Starbucks. Create a mini savings sprint challenge. Find extra cash everywhere. Open a separate savings account and automate deposits. Saving 10 isn't just a money win. It's a mindset shift. You realize you're capable of changing your future $1 at a time. YouTube end screen links to other personal finance videos. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried a savings sprint like this? What's the biggest challenge you faced when trying to save money? Drop a comment below. I read and reply to everyone. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe for more easy personal finance tips.